Have you ever wondered how to decorate your house walls? Then here's a solution for that. You can use little hot air balloons to decorate your houses. So in this tutorial, I'll be showing you how to make these little balloons. So let's go and make it. So to make these balloons, you need to take two rectangular papers. It can be any size you would like to. Here I'm taking a 7 into 7 centimeter paper. We need these paper to cut out the hearts. Now take one of the paper and then fold it at correct half, and then hold your finger like this and press it so that it's folded at the correct part and the line comes properly. Okay, now you have to take a pencil and draw a heart over here. Like you have to draw half a heart so that when you cut it will come like the full heart. I'm not that good at drawing, but then yeah. So now I have finished drawing the heart, as you can see, and then you have to take a scissor and then cut it out. Okay, so at this edge you have to curve a bit because the curving should be seen. So now I'm cutting it. Yeah, it's done. And then let's open our heart. Yeah, it's totally perfect heart. Looks cute. So now you have to do the same for this paper too. You have to fold it into half and then press it, and then you have to cut out the heart. So it's better you keep the previous heart and then cut out the outline so that the same shape comes and it's gonna be perfect. So now I'm drawing the outline with the pencil like this. Okay, so now I finished drawing it. Now let's cut it out. Okay, so let's cut it out like this, and then at the edge you have to curve it. It's like it's same as the previous heart. Okay, so now our heart is ready. Let's open it. Yeah, it's the same as the previous one. Now let's stick them both together at the middle. Okay. So to stick it, you have to apply a bit glue at the center of the paper like this, and then stick it to the other heart so that it looks like this, like the other one which I showed you. And then now let's apply the glue. So you can use any glue you'd like. Here I'm using Fevicol. Those who don't want Fevicol can use the normal glue stick, liquid glue, or any other glue. So right now I'm applying the glue. Okay, just apply a bit glue at the center. Now let's stick this paper to the other heart. So yeah, just press it once you stick it. Okay, so that it looks a bit bulgy too. Okay, now I'm going to press it. Okay. So now our main part is kind of done. That's the heart. Just a tiny final touching. Okay, so now let's press it a bit so that it looks perfect like this. So now our heart is ready. Now we have to make this white part. So for that I'm taking a white paper. Then you have to cut out a small line from that. If you are not an expert in cutting, then you can just draw it and then cut it, or else just cut it out like this. It's nice if it's thin to look better. Okay, yeah. Yeah, this is how it should look. Yeah. Yeah, as you can see, this is how it should look. Now you have to apply a bit glue and then stick it to the heart, just like this one. Okay, so before that, let's make a small black part, that's the down part, like a small umbrella shape. Okay, so let's draw a small umbrella shaped one and then let's cut it out. Okay, so now I'm going to cut this out. Okay, so once you cut out the black part, you have to apply a bit glue on it and stick it with the white one. Be careful while you stick that and make sure the glue is not too much. Okay, so I'm sticking it right now. Yeah, so this is how it should look. And then the final thing you have to do is you have to attach this white one with the balloon. So now I'm applying a bit glue on the balloon and then going to stick it. So now let's press it. Yes. So now our little balloon is ready. Yeah. And you can stick this on your walls, like you can make a few of these and then stick it in a pattern which you like. Wow, it looks pretty good. So I hope you like these balloons, and if yes, please like, share and subscribe. And if you haven't seen my previous videos, check it out. Thank you.